GM and welcome to a new video. This is part 18 of the abstract series already. It's time to talk about the Giga Juicy Flash Badge, which is new. And there's not too much time left, roughly a day to claim this. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get that one. Also a little reminder on the abstract games, which is starting very soon. So last chance to mint your ticket there. I explained everything on the abstract games in the last video. I will link it here. How to join, what comes with this ticket that you pay $21, $22 roughly for. It's 0.012 ETH. The games are starting soon, so there's not much time left to mint this ticket. And since you can't sell this, you can only transfer this. There's no way to actually buy this on the secondary market. So there's no speculation. I explained everything in the last video. Just check this one out here. But now let's focus on the Giga Juicy Flash Badge. Sadly, this is one you need to pay for as well. In one of the last videos, I showed you how to get the Gigaverse Giga Chat badge, which also was a Flash badge. And you needed to buy a character, which is a soulbound token, which you cannot sell to actually join the game. So you need to pay, I think it was 0.005 ETH roughly to get started. So if you did this already, then you still need to pay some ETH. And I'm gonna show you how to do this. So just be aware, you need to put in some ETH to actually claim this badge, but let's go step by step. As you can see here, consume a juice box in Gigaverse to earn this badge. Now let's go to app. If we click on this, then we can see that there is a step-by-step guide explaining this. Go to gigaverse.io, click the connect button and sign in with your abstract global wallet. I showed you all of this on how to create the account, how to log in one of the previous parts of this series. I'm gonna link the video here. Open this one in a new tab, enter a username, click on claim Noob, as I said, 0.005 ETH. And then you need to go to the Juicy machine. Let's do this. So once you bought your Noob, then you can hit play after you logged in with your abstract global wallet. It just takes some time, then you can click on spawn and then you're in. And this is how this looks and how to get the badge. You need to click on this juice box here. And the juices is basically some kind of a booster. And you can see this here, Giga Juice lets you reach your full potential as a noob. More runs, juiced runs, more energy, sprinting, ROM boost, potion slot, more dungeon upgrades. So just some perks in game. If you buy this, it probably makes sense to play this game as well to get the rewards, because you could sell those on the secondary. I'm going to show you this in a second. Now, this is the smallest potion here with the 0.004 ETH. Another, $8 to $9 roughly. If you pick the juice box, then you get this special reward here, the red party hat. It costs 0.01, then this lasts for 30 days. You can buy the 0.023 ETH thingy for 90 days, and there's also one for 0.038 ETH that lasts 180 days, and you get more items in the game. And this one here can't be traded. Now, if we click on claim rewards after you bought this, and it takes some time, I got this one here for 30 days. I can click on claim rewards and then go in here and claim the rewards, because with this one here, I got the red party hat. Now I can claim this, and this is estimated at 0.0005 ETH. So if I would sell this already, I could get back a little bit. Maybe the prices go higher once this claim period for the rewards is over. Now that's already it. If you then go back, go refresh and click on redeem badge, then you can claim your flash badge Giga Juicy. Then you got it. Yeah, as I said, be aware you need to pay 0.005 ETH to claim this noob character, which is soulbound, and then also at least 0.004 ETH to get a juice shot, or 0.01 ETH to get the second one, which has at least one reward item. But the first one is enough to get the badge. Now, one other thing, if you click on Tradeport right here on the left side, then you can see your items that you have in game, and then you can actually export them and bring them on chain. Right? Every player is allowed one free on-chain import and one free export every 24 hours. So you could export this red party head right here, confirm this, then it would be on-chain and not only in the game anymore. And then you can go to Magic Eden, search for the Gigaverse items, or as always, all the links are down in the description. And then you can go directly there. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss any of the upcoming videos. And while you're down there, leave a like, that helps me a lot. Now, as you can see here, we have the different items here. We can search for the party head, and we can see that this one is currently at 0.003 ETH. So we could go in here and actually sell it and get back a little bit of the money that we spent for the juice box. Might be worth it to take a look. And that's also interesting because you are able to do more runs. If you go up, you can see that the energy, I think it's normally at 240. Yeah, max energy 240, but since it's juiced, you get more per hour back, and also the max energy is 420 and not 240. And you can get the normal mode here or the juiced mode, which costs more energy but gives you 3 times the rewards. When you do this, you can get some items and you can also bring them on chain. As I showed you here, let's X this, then click here, Tradeport. You can bring them on chain and then you can actually sell them. So those are all items that were either produced in game through the alchemy or other stuff that you can do in game, or they were just found and you can go in here and sell them if you found them during your runs. So you might actually be able to get your money back that you spent on the noob or on the juice, and some alpha here. There actually might be an airdrop for everyone that used the juice box. As you can see here in this thread, the first juice airdrop and how to qualify, 175 million AMI will be allocated. This is an agentic platform and one of the first consumer AI products on Abstract. Previous juice drinkers are included in the airdrop deadline, early Monday, exact time to be announced. So today, so if you're watching this today, if you want to get the juice, it's better to get it sooner than later. So you maybe still qualify for the airdrop that might give you the juice back already. Now you know how to get the Giga Juicy badge, which I just claimed. And you also know a little bit more about Gigaverse, how to sell the actual items. Let me know if you decided to get the character or if you already got it for the Gigaverse Giga Chat Flash Badge back then, and then if you decided to get the Giga Juice to also qualify for this Flash Badge, and if so, which one did you pick and why? Let me know in the comments. And that all being said, thank you so much for watching. One of the next videos will be on Hub AI and also an update on Kaio, which is getting more and more traction again. I already did a couple of videos on that. Also, you seem to like the videos of my Monet testnet series, which I also have. There's already 5 parts out where I explain step by step how to get transactions in on the Monet testnet to qualify for their airdrop. So make sure to check that one out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.